A moment magnitude MW 7.0 earthquake occurred off the coast of Guerrero at 20:47 local time on 7 September with an estimated intensity of 7 on the AMMI scale. The earthquake occurred on the anniversary of the 2017 Chiapas earthquake, which measured MW 8.2. It was also the largest earthquake in Mexico since the 2020 Oaxaca earthquake, which killed 10 people and caused severe damage as far as Mexico City. Mexico is one of the most seismically active regions in the world, located at the boundary of at least 3 tectonic plates. The west coast of Mexico lies at a convergent plate boundary between the Cocos Plate and North American Plate. The Cocos Plate, coinciding of denser oceanic lithosphere, subducts beneath the less dense continental crust of the North American Plate. Most of the Mexican landmass is situated on the North American Plate, moving westward. Because the oceanic crust is relatively dense, when the bottom of the Pacific Ocean meets the lighter continental crust of the Mexican landmass, the ocean floor subducts beneath the North American Plate, creating the Middle America Trench along the southern coast of Mexico. Occasionally, the contact interface or subduction zone megathrust release elastic strain during earthquakes. Large and sudden uplift of the seafloor can produce large tsunamis when such earthquakes occur. The earthquake was a thrust faulting event located on or near the subduction zone boundary of the Caribbean Plate and Cocos Plate. Earthquakes of this size, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, are 40 by 20 kilometers in rupture size. The earthquake occurred at the southern extent of the Guerrero Gap, a seismic gap capable generating a magnitude 8.0 earthquake. The earthquake was first measured at a magnitude of 7.4 by the USGS. However, it was later downgraded to 7.0. The earthquake was relatively shallow, only 12 miles below the surface, which would have amplified the shaking effect. In Acapulco, just 3 kilometers from the epicenter, a few buildings swayed and were damaged. There were also power outages and many gas leaks reported. Utility poles and church facades reportedly collapsed and damaged many cars along Costera Avenue. The earthquake generated panic in the city and drove many people out of hotels. According to Hector Astudillo, the governor of Guerrero, one person was killed in Coyuca de Benitez due to a falling pole. At least 1.6 million customers in Mexico City and 4 other Mexican states lost access to electricity. A tsunami measuring 1.2 feet was recorded in Acapulco at 1:54. The same observation station observed a tsunami up to 0.48 meters at 2:04. The mayor of Acapulco, Adela Roman, has urged for residents to remain calm while the situation is being assessed.